The molecules in the dish soap are attracted to the fat molecules in the milk. As soon as you introduce the soap to the milk coloring mixture, the molecules race around trying to bond. The food coloring gets pushed around in the process and appears to burst.